Hello and welcome to the second video of the day. I just uploaded a video of really testing out the Fantasia colored pencils, trying to do some actual artwork and not just scribbling some to see how they're like. So check that out. But then I looked at my front door and this package had arrived. So yay! I want to point out that I did scribble out my name and address and where it came from. And I don't know if this is something that I should worry about or not, but I also scribbled out the barcode and the QR code. So, I don't know. Just for safety precautions. This is an order that I did for AliExpress, or from AliExpress. So I'm really excited to see what's in here. So well, I know what's in here, but I'm going to pull it all out. Of course, you know it's art supplies. Duh. Okay. So 3 little bundles. Am I in the shot? Yes. So this is the main shot here. So we're going to do these one at a time. And I have, I recovered my desk here. It was just gross and I put paper on it. But I went to Dollar Tree to get those peel and stick things to put on the table. And I needed 12 of those. So it was getting to be like $18. I said, no, screw that. So I went and found at Dollar Tree, I found the shelf paper. So I got 2 rolls of that and it was $3. It was much cheaper. Especially for this desk. It's just a poopy old table, really. So let's see what's in package number 1, shall we? I hope you're all doing well. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It's free. Like, comment, share. No snarky comments, please. And I will not link these because I don't remember exactly which things they exactly are, because my order never showed up in my order list. So I was actually kind of worried I wouldn't get these. So I have no order to go back to connect and link the products. But, you know, if you get on there and put in the product name, I'm sure you should find it. I need to get some paper here to test, maybe do some little bit of testing here. Oh, this is so exciting. Well, they packaged them very, very good. My scissors won't even cut through it. So make sure you also check out my eBay store. The link, that link is in my channel description. It's also in the last video in the description. The video before this one. I know you've seen these everywhere on everybody's channel, but I finally broke down and got some. The Langau, however you want to say it, gel pens. This is the Morandi set. Maybe I'm wrong. What is this? Doesn't really have the, oh, maybe it is. Okay, Morandi, I guess light pastel colors. Morandi in the darker colors. Green style. My favorite color is green. Blue style. And the reddish yellow. They had a purple, but I didn't get purple. I'm not a huge fan of purple. Okay, So I am not going to open up every single one of these. I just want to test them out for fun. Oh wow, I mean, they start right away. They do have a really fine tip. Does it say on here what it is? If it's all different language, I have no idea. Oh, they're so pretty. Ooh. Oh, so pretty. Oh, it does clip on that. Look at those colors. So springy. Today is March 15th, 2026. And I want to say, it was weird when I went to go order these. They had one price, and then when I went to the cart to place the order, they were a different price. So I really can't remember how much these were. I want to say $5 to $7, but some of them were different amounts. It's really odd. You ever had that trouble with AliExpress? Oh, okay. Okay. Oh, I do like these. They're very opaque. Ooh, that's gonna be fun. Alright. So I don't want to be on here all day, but just want to show you the colors again. And I want to say there was a pink and red set. I didn't get that either. I didn't want to go overboard. But those are nice. Those are nice. Now these I do remember. When I clicked to add them to the cart, they were like $3 and something. But when I went to go check out, they were over $7. But, oh, these are so cute. It's a little wooden box. You can smell the wood through the plastic even. Oh, nice little pretty bird on there. It's such a cute little box. Having trouble opening up stuff. I'm trying not to scratch the box here. I've had some people say that when they play my videos, the sound is bad and muffled. But when I play them back, I don't have that problem. I don't know what's going on your end of things. But when I play it back, even when it's on YouTube, it sounds just fine. I think this is pine. It smells like pine. It slides out. You can come all the way out. Oh, the Japanese watercolor. Japanese or Chinese, I don't know. Watercolor. Like, oh, look at these. When they come out. I'm not going to test these. That would be too much right now. If you want a video of if you want a video of me testing these out, leave it in the comments. But there's the first set. They're so cute. I just love these little boxes. And once again, this is all on AliExpress. Oh, come on. So cute. And there's 4 of these total. Here's the second one. On my last video I had of my drawing, I had uploaded it to YouTube because I was under the impression that you could speed up the film on YouTube Studio, and I could not find how to do that. So it is in real time, and I apologize for that, but you can go onto the gear icon when you're on the video and hit, you know, speed it up yourself if you'd like, or you can watch it in real time. So from now on, I know that if I want to have something at fast speed, I have to do it on my computer editing first. Oh, here's the second set of colors. That one's kind of jacked up. That's a pretty color. Okay. Oh, they're so cute. I'm really glad that they're in a wood box and not just a cardboard box. I think it will last longer that way. And here's the third set. It's Sunday. I have been trying. I used to do all of my like laundry and housework and everything on Sundays, but I'm trying to honor the Sabbath on Sundays and not do any work on Sundays, and it has actually been really nice. I've been really enjoying it. I mean, of course, there's, you know, you gotta cook and probably wash the dishes and clean out the litter box and all that, but to do heavy house cleaning, no, I have not been doing that on Sundays anymore, and it's been a real gift. Oh, look at that. Pretty. Of course, I don't know if these are like summer, spring, winter. I don't know, because it's all in different language. I can't read it, but I'm assuming that might be the case. Okay, let's look at the last one of these little sets, and there's one more thing. And I don't know if there's any repeat colors. I'm not keeping a mental note of all of it right now. I'm sure there's a repeat color or two. Look at that. That's really nice. That one's kind of weird. Okay. Oh, they're so adorable. Hopefully they're actually good paints. Okay. And last but not least, here we go. This might be easier to do it this way. I've seen these on a couple other YouTubers. What am I grabbing here? Oh, okay. Comes with a water pen. Oi. Oh, no. It's dented beyond belief. Okay, it is the Solid Watercolor Opaque by Guire, S-U-P, what is that, a C? C or G, R-I-O-R. You can see that. 24 color set, solid watercolor set. It is banged up pretty good. And there's another brand that looks exactly like this. I want to say Kumu or something like that. I couldn't find, I did find that one, and it was more money than I wanted to spend, and this one was a little less expensive. I might have to rip the box. Oops, sorry. Oh, come out of there. Okay, yeah, the box is janky. Wow. That's too bad. Hopefully it opens. Okay, it opens. So it does come with this. It is a 24 color set. It did come, wow, it's a mess. Man, what the heck's going on here? Okay, there are the colors. You know what these would be good with? If you wanted to do a multimedia piece of work. Yeah, you're a real piece of work now. If you wanted to do a multimedia artwork, this set of watercolor would go very well with the Castle Arts Harmonious color pencil set. If you know what I'm talking about, you know what I'm talking about. Okay, let's see. Look at that. Maybe I don't know how to fix that. I'll worry about that later. Okay, they do not come out. At least they don't come out easily. And it's weird, is there's like there's not a lot of, I mean, this whole square is not filled. There's like a little lip there. I guess that's to wipe the brush on. But they are a little sticky. Doesn't look like there's a whole lot of paint in there. Maybe that's why they were less expensive. But yeah, there's that, and then of course they have this that goes with it. I don't know how true that is color-wise. I have to fix this box somehow. But that is this set. Okay. And then the 4 little ones that came in a much better condition. And these weren't destroyed at all. So, there. That was fun. Thanks for joining me. And make sure to hit that subscribe button. Watch the video all the way. Yeah. Have a great weekend, night, whatever you are. Thanks a lot, guys.